Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to hide or show Wazers on the map in the Waze app. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, direct your attention to the upper left corner of your screen where you'll see three horizontal lines. This is your main menu icon. Go ahead and tap on it to open up the navigation menu, which gives you access to all of Waze's settings and features. Once the menu opens up, you'll see several options listed vertically. Look for the option labeled Settings and tap on it. This is where you can customize how Waze works and appears on your device, controlling everything from navigation preferences to display options. Next, within the settings menu, scroll through the available options until you find Map Display. Tap on this option to proceed. This section is specifically designed to let you control what information appears on your map while you're driving, helping you customize your view and reduce clutter if needed. Now, once you're in the map display settings, look for a section named Map Information and Overlays. This is where Waze groups together all the visual elements that can appear on your map during navigation. Inside this section, you'll find various toggle options that control different map features. Within the Map Information and Overlay section, locate the option that says Show Wazers. Wazers are other Waze users who are currently driving and sharing their location on the map. Seeing them can be helpful for understanding traffic patterns, but some users prefer a cleaner map view without these icons. Right beside the Show Wazers option, you'll notice a toggle button. Simply tap on this toggle to either hide or show Wazers on your map. When the toggle is turned on, you'll see other Waze users represented as icons on your map. When it's turned off, your map will display a cleaner view without showing other drivers. The change takes effect immediately, so you can see the difference right away. And that's it, you've successfully customized your Waze map by controlling the visibility of other Wazers. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.